Hi, this is NS Mayhem 1, and this is my latest thing. I've been bored over the first week of the summer holidays, so I decided to make an air cannon. It involves three inch and a half by half-inch pipes, a 4-inch threaded long by half-inch pipe, two 90-degree pipes, ball valve, 3 of them half-inch things, a 2 foot long by 2 inches PVC pipe, and a PVC cap with screw on. It uses one 12-gram CO2 adapter, well, one 12-gram CO2 cartridge, and that goes into the adapter that I got off Rap4 UK, and just put that in there and screw it on. But I'm not going to do that because I'm in my house at the moment. I sprayed it all black because it looked dodgy multicoloured. You also need some PTFE tape, I think it is. Hold on. Yeah, it is PTFE thread seal tape. Dog. Where's the dog? To do all the threads on where they all join up, so you do it there, 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 there. Not on that one though, don't do it on the adapter. There, 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 and there. And inside there, if it screws on, if you've got a cap that screws on. And then you'd also need some polypipe PVC cement to cement the sleeve onto the pipe, and then the cap into the sleeve. So that holds it all together. I bought a bag of 25 CO2 cartridges from Rap4 UK again. There. So there'll be another video later on. There might be one on how to make it if I decide to make another one. And there'll be a shooting video of it in about 2 hours, okay? So this is NS Main 1. Please comment, rate and subscribe.